Hello mga kabibis! Welcome to our first travel vlog, and we're going to South to celebrate Tin's birthday. So later makikita niyo yung mga gagawin namin and kung paano namin celebrate ang birthday ni Christine Heraldo.
Vlog takeover. So we're now here at Pinamalayan, Jollibee Pinamalayan, to have breakfast. Yeah, so makita ko yung clip ng mga kasama ko later. Annyeong! Ivy! Kawaii! Alden! Rosantin! Hi! Kawaii! Hi everyone! So, stop over again because we're gonna buy
fish. Ingredients.
Yeah.
Ingredients, condiments.
Anyways, nasa Pinamalayan Market kami. Oh, there are a lot of fishes. Oops. We're in the wet market. Gulays.
Naku, wag. Kasama ng bulkan.
Lumi ang table. Itaan mo sa lubak. Tama na siguro yan?
Why? Iba talaga eh.
Mga buloy ng tao. Ginawa niyo yung mga...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Saka dati.
Pagkain niyo po kami sa mga biyahe, sa mga pagkain ito, i-bless ko po kami sa lahat.
Amen. So, ngayon lang siya hindi nakakapunta. Ngayon siya hindi.
Hindi ka nagpapanang mga kay Pop.
Everyone, so nakapahinga na kami. Nakapahinga nga ba? So maglalakad-lakad muna kami sa may park na yun. Standing in a crowded room and I can't see your face. Everything's okay, everything's okay. In my mind I'm riding round a cold and empty spot. Ay, isa pa. One. Yay!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yun na yan.
Happy birthday na.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Tin.
Sex bomb.
Wala siyang lasa.
Cheers. Happy birthday, Tin.
Ay, sa umabot ko sa nakakahiya.
Ano?
Abo, sorry.
Good morning. Good morning, Rojas. Good morning, everyone. It's our data here in AJC Infinity Beach Resort. So, yeah. There's my pinsan. Nag-ayos na breakfast namin. And Tin. Yeah. And then there's Josh. Tagagawa ng ng sausawan. So, here's the view every morning here in Caracas. There's a beach there. Tapos, ang cute, diba? Everyone, so mag-out na kami here. So, sa Rojas. So, pamansalay naman kami this time. So, yeah. Everyone, so we're now here at MV Hiraya. So we're gonna roam around and look at the view. By the way, ganyang kubo yung kinuha namin.
Patagal sa Pudobo. Patagal.
Masarap.
Pasang wine. Hi mga bibis.
Hello mga habibis.
Habibis. So, we're here at
MV Hiraya.
MV Hiraya. I'm with my bibi. Lumubog si bibi. Yung biglang nawala yung bibi mo kasi lumubog pala.
Ang pretty. Ang pogi mo. Alam mo, ang tantan ng itsura ko dyan. Tapos tingnan mo, sobra kang gatas.
Lumubula na nga eh.
It's ano? Ano, Kati? Tao.
Yeah,
Ano
it's Cathy. It's Cathy.
Kamuti
Like,
mo na.
unlike, yung umaga na taog. Ano may wag muna tayo.
Yeah. Dito muna. Tapos i-screenshot na lang natin. Ganyan. So lalahatin ng bukas na to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ignore that. This is fire.
Do it na.
Yes. when I'm drunk,
Uh-huh.
I'm more fluent.
Wow! I like that. I like the confidence.
Yeah,
Huh?
fluency is the best policy. The word is spoken.
I cannot.
Don't cannot, can you? Hindi ko nakuha pala yung ano. Yung taralag ka lang kata yung water.
Hey everyone!
Pagkain.
It's our day 3. So, Mansalay. Moments. Yeah. Gali ko muna kami. Annyeong! Everyone, we're going home. So yeah, how's the trip?
So tired. But I'm enjoying it.
What?
Enjoy it.
Ah, okay.
Babalik na naman ako.
No! Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
It feels like a perfect night to dress up like hell.